Today, I'm gonna be telling you how to notice possible mistakes in your video. So the first thing is, when looking back at your videos, you need to think, is there a way that I can make this better? Like adding background music, subtitles, or just cutting out the long pauses. By having background music, when you end up pausing, the viewer can end up listening to the music instead of hearing plain silence. The reason why you may want to have subtitles is that if it's hard to hear you in your video, people can still know what you're saying. And the next thing that you can do to make your video a little bit better is just by cutting out the pauses. Now this seems very simple, but some people actually forget to cut out their pauses, making it seem boring while we're waiting to see what they say next. The next thing that you want to look out for is incorrect noise volume. Many people, including myself and possibly you, have made the mistake of incorrect noise volume. And the number one main thing is being too loud, whether it be your voice, music in the background, video that you're reacting to, or gameplay. If something is too loud, it ends up overriding another audio, making it kind of hard to hear what's going on. So you want to make sure that all your volumes are sort of at an equal level in order to hear everything perfectly. The third thing that you're going to be looking out for is your bad footage. Sometimes when you're filming, you don't know if you're in focus or out of frame, and you may need to refilm your video. Trust me, refilming your video is cumbersome and kind of a nuisance, but you may need to do that in order to make the utmost high quality for all your viewers. And the fourth thing that you do need to look out for is bad editing. By adding too many effects in your video, it's very annoying to understand what's going on when you have a bunch of edits. But on the other side, if you end up making your video with too little edits, it kinda ends up being a little boring. The fifth thing that you need to do, and this is probably one of the most important ones, which is going to be your tone of voice and your volume. Now there's many factors in play regarding your tone of voice and your volume, whether you're too loud, too quiet, or you're whispering, and your whole video is just not coming out so well. So you need to try filming yourself in different tones and pitches that you're comfortable with, that ends up making the video a lot better. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know down in the comments below. And this is not actually the outro, so let's end up going to the bloopers. So the number one thing, by having background music, you can also add subtitles.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
Now the thing that you may now it makes, trust me, trust me.
Listen closely. At the end of, darn it, you're right. We're gonna, good luck then. Here, take this.
Trust me, refilming your video is cumbersome and kind of a nuisance, but you do need to do what you need to do.
Man!
Are you stupid?
No!
We've been had! They've have!
Alright.
Now bad editing can
You're dirt. You're doo-doo butter. I'm out. Good luck.
So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know down in the comments below. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know.
Is it 8? Bro, I promise I was about to say that. I promise.
You're both wrong.
See, to properly answer.
Damn it. I'm so stupid. I didn't even need to say that was my answer. All I had to do was wait, and now I look stupid.
I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know down in the comments below. And let's get a quick zoom in here. And I'll see you guys in the next one.